Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another quick recipe. This is a very good dessert and a very quick dessert that you can make for your guests. Whoever is like on their way and they call you, hey, we're coming over. So you can just prepare this dessert within 2 minutes, I would say. So let's make together TikTok coffee cream. So for this recipe, first of all, in a bowl, we're gonna add 300 ml of cold heavy cream. And now we're gonna whip our cream. I'm using a hand mixer. Now halfway in between, we're gonna add 40 grams of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna whisk it again until it becomes fluffy like a whipped cream. Now once it's done, you can see that it has become fluffy. We're gonna add 1 cup of coffee. I made an espresso, or you can use instant coffee, and now we're gonna whip them together. And you can see our coffee cream is ready and it looks very fluffy and very soft. You can also put it in the freezer and it will be an ice cream. So now serve it in your favorite mug or a cup. You can see I'm using a glass, or you can use a cup. It's up to you, and you can decorate it with some powdered sugar on top. And I'm also topping it with some chocolate chips, because why not? So you can see our delicious coffee cream dessert is ready. It's a very quick dessert which can be prepared within 3 minutes. Like it literally took me within 3 minutes to prepare this dessert, and it has coffee flavor, it has heavy cream, it has sugar, and it's so delicious. And I'm sure your guests are gonna love it. So let's dig in and see how it tastes. It tastes amazing. I would highly recommend this recipe. If you do try it, let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And if you want to watch more TikTok videos, let me know in the comment section as well. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.